Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Happy Hallobean. For today's Hallobean look, I created this kind of sparkly two-tone situation over here. I really like how it came out. I used some older products, I used a couple newer things, and I just overall like how this look came out. It's pretty, fairly easy, not too many products, and I'm gonna wear it to work all day now. Before we get started, my plugs are from Love Kills Boutique. This hat, I'm not sure where it's from. It might have been like Target or something. I've had it a long time. I think I figured out where this choker's from. It's very old, but it's through the brand shop Sun & Co, but it was sold on Not Your Average Babe's website. Might still be available, but I'm not positive. And yeah, I guess with all that being said, let's just zoom in and create this very sparkly two-toned Hallobean look. Alright, hello, let's play with some makeup. My face details aren't necessarily gonna scream Halloween per se. I just want something warm and pretty, and I also want to play with a couple new things, so we're gonna do that. And I know you're gonna want to see these on camera as well, so let's just hop into it. I did already do my foundation, concealer, powder, and a little bit of cream bronzer and my contour palette from Kaleidos, so we're just gonna jump into blush, freckles, and highlight. For blush, I just got this sent in the mail from Menagerie the other day, their new blush palette, the Volume 1 version, which makes me excited to think there might be more in the future. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at these beautiful blushes. I'm so excited. I really just want to use this one today. I think just this really warm kind of terracotta brown blush might be really pretty with this look. I'm dying to use this yellow one, like so bad, but not with this look. I feel like I want to save that one for its own moment. So this one I just want to be a just nice warm blush today. So we are going to do a two-toned purple and orange eye, so I want just something that's going to kind of complement both. This shade is called Persimmon. I'm just going to use my angled MOTD Cosmetics brush. I always use an angled brush for my blush. Ooh, that color's pretty. It's a little pinkier than I thought, but it's really pretty. And quite pigmented, of course, as I like it. Just going to focus this on the cheekbones and just really blend it out and blow it out so it's nice and blushy out here. I want to go for kind of a drapey moment today, which I do most days, but you know. How are you guys doing? Today is the 19th. Getting ready for work. I leave in about 2 hours. Happy Monday. Oh yeah, that's a really pretty color. I feel like that blends it out on the skin really nicely. Ooh, I'm content with that. I'm excited to use all the other shades. I plan on using this a lot in upcoming videos just to try to showcase all the shades on my skin, so just stay tuned. I'll try to pop this on in future looks often because I'm very excited about it. It seems to just blend on the skin very, very nicely, which I'm excited about. I'm gonna pop some on the nose because I cannot resist. You can't stop me. I'm still beyond excited and pumped to try this yellow one at some point, but this shade is beautiful. This one I could potentially see being the one I reach for the most. I adore this color. It's quite lovely. All right, let's just quickly pop on some fake freckles. This is just my ColourPop soft brown freckle pen. Just gonna do a couple dots around the face, and then I'm gonna go in with my Freck XL because I like the combination of both. I hope your October's been going well. Mine's just been so busy with work, but I'm still trying to make sure we do October-y things like light a fall candle every day, which I light a candle every day regardless, so that's not anything new, but just trying to get those fall scents throughout the house. We're watching lots of Halloween movies and spooky things like that. Just trying to make the most of spending Halloween indoors this year. All right, so for highlight, I actually treated myself to a new makeup item. What a crazy shock, right? I just had to have this new Makeup by Mario Master Crystal Reflector. This is in the shade Quartz. He advertised this to use for the eyes and the face, and I think more so for the eyes as like an eye topper, but I was like, I need this shiny, shimmery, beautiful wetness as a face highlight so bad. I was already playing around with this and comparing it with my Fenty How Many Carats Diamond Balm. It's very similar. Very similar. I don't think you need both if you already have the Fenty one, but I don't really mind that I have this one also because my Fenty one actually has a decent chunk of pan in it, and it's starting to not feel as emollient to the touch as it used to when I first got it, so I'm not mad about having a new one. I've had that one for a few years now. But I'm really excited to try this. I haven't put it on my face yet. I have a feeling I'm gonna like this better with my finger, but I figured I would try it with my brush first. This is my Kaleidos H1 highlight brush. Oh yes. Oh yes, all the sparkle. Oh my goodness, yes. I am still gonna try my finger over top of it just to see how much more we can build this up, but I just love this. I already love it. If you're someone who's into just like sparkle on the face, this might be for you. Oh yeah. I just live for wet, sparkly skin. I can't get enough. It's so pretty. Oh, that's really exciting. It's like on one hand, I've already kind of had a product like this, so it's not something new for me, but I'm still really excited just because my other one is getting kind of old. Ooh, I'm excited about that. That's pretty. Just nice and wet and glossy looking. I am a satisfied customer so far. All right, just gonna really quick set my face with my Apocalyptic Beauty Pumpkin Spice Setting Spray, and then we'll move on to the eyes. So for the eyes today, we're just gonna do a two-toned look. We're gonna have a purple crease and an orange crease. I'm gonna use my Sugarpill shadows for this. I have some pro pans here. I'm gonna use the purple Poison Plum on one eye and the orange Flamethrower on the other. You could use whatever purple and orange you have in your collection. Don't feel the need to buy new things. And then I started pre-filming my makeup collection and declutter videos, and I already pre-filmed my glitter one, and I rediscovered this one from Pixi. It's called Starry Night. It's kind of like a black base with multicolored sparkle in it, kind of gold bronzy base, and I just think it might be really pretty on the lid with the purple and orange smoked out in the crease. So that's kind of my plan. This was a collab product with Miriam Maquillage. I don't know how to say her name, I'm so sorry. So I don't know if this is available anymore, but you could just use like a sparkly black eyeshadow, or even just lay down a black eyeshadow and maybe put like a bronzy multicolored shimmer if you have something like that over top of it. You can kind of play around with it. But in the meantime, let me go ahead and prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm going to do both since we are doing a two-toned look. I feel like two-toned looks for holiday looks is always a fun idea because then you can just really play on those holiday colors. So purple and orange it is today. And I don't think I've done like a purple and orange specific look for Hallobean yet this year, so that's what we're doing today. So I'm thinking for this eye, I'm gonna do the purple. So this is Poison Plum right here. For both eyes, I have two identical Spectrum brushes. This is the B04. It's kind of angled, so I can really just kind of create that shape in my outer corner and kind of stamp it through the crease. And then I have a blending brush here next to me that I will use to help blend it out. The only color I might use to help blend this out is like a white from my contour palette, but I'm not really trying to use a million colors in my crease today. And again, right now I'm just worried about packing it down and I will blend it later. Have you guys done anything fun for October? I want to hear what you've been up to. If you've watched anything new, tried a new Halloween snack, I want to hear all about your festivities. I really want some extra focus in this outer kind of lower portion of the curve, just to kind of adjust my eye shape a little bit, just add a little bit of drama. Now I'm just taking a ColourPop E2 brush, and again, I'm just gonna start with no product, just to start getting this line diffused. And then if I need to, I'll dip into my contour palette just for like a white to help blend this out some more. But for the most part, Sugarpill shadows always perform nice for me. Their new shade Helium didn't work so well for me, but all the other new ones have worked good. And I've never really had a problem with Sugarpill in the past. So I'm not expecting this to go bad. After work today, Zane and I are gonna paint a wall in my salon studio, and I'm excited just to revamp and make a change. I've never painted before in my life, but I think we can handle it. This is pretty much what I wanted. I don't really even feel the need to like dip into anything else right now. I think this looks just fine how it is. I might re-intensify the purple down here just a smidge, but this is all seeming to work in my favor nicely. I'm happy with this. I love this shade of purple. I think it's so cute. All right, well, let's do the same general idea with Flamethrower. Again, I have identical brushes for what I just used, so I'm just gonna use my clean ones and go to town laying down this orange. And then we will start playing with that black glittery eyeshadow. I can't believe October's almost over. It's going by so quick. I'll be honest though, I love Halloween like with my whole heart, but I'm also excited to get into holiday season as well. But I think I'm also just really ready for this year to wrap up because we're now exactly 4 months away from our closing date unless they have any delays on our house. Oh, and I'm so ready for it to just be finished being built. I can't wait to get in there. They started the framing, and we popped by yesterday to look at it. And we didn't expect much because they only started framing like 3 days ago, but it already almost looks like a house. It's crazy. It happens so quick. Oh, we're so excited. I can't wait to get out of the apartment and into our home. All right, and again, just taking that clean blending brush, that other ColourPop E2 that I have, and just going to town on these edges just to help soften them up. Get our cute little Halloween two-toned moment going on. Do you guys ever do two-toned eyeshadow looks? The first time I ever did one, I was scared. I was scared to wear it in public because I thought people would look at me like I was crazy. But nobody said anything, and if they did, it was a compliment, so I recommend don't be scared. The first time I ever did it, I also did more of a subtle one. It wasn't like super crazy bright. It was a little more like just muted in tone, so it helped me feel a little bit more comfortable, but at this point, I'm comfortable wearing pretty much anything out. All right, let's play with this liquid glitter eyeshadow. Again, it's called Starry Nights. And I'm just going to smush this all over the lid. And then pretty much I just want this blended into the crease. I'm not really trying to do a cut crease per se. I just kind of want it blended out into the purple. Just getting a little bit more purple on that Spectrum brush that I had to initially lay down the color. I'm just going to very, very lightly start smudging at the edge of this glitter eyeshadow. Being very careful not to like take this all over the place. I find these Pixi ones fairly easy to manipulate. I don't have to like work too hard. I'm probably going to do another coat of it right up against my lashes down here because it's a little sheer towards the bottom, but overall I'm happy with how that looks. Let me just do another layer down here at the bottom. Again, just going to kind of make sure there's no weirdness happening around the outer edges, so I'm just lightly blending. I'm honestly barely even making motions. I'm being very soft with it. I'm going to take my big blending brush as well. Ooh, I really like that. Yeah, if you don't have this glitter eyeshadow, you could probably just get like a really pretty sparkly silvery black, gold black, literally whatever you have. I think anything would look really cute. Ooh, I like this vibe a lot. That's really pretty. Okay, well, let's do the same deal to my orange eye. Just gonna kind of get it laid down, and then I'll pick up a little more orange to help blend it out. I wanted another look that isn't necessarily crazy intricate, something a little more simple, but it also isn't like incredibly simple. Like it still has some technique involved. It's still a little more on the fun side. You could also totally do this look with just one color. You could even do different colors. You could do black and orange. You could do orange and green. You could do purple and green. Do whatever you want. I was just feeling the purple and orange Halloween colors today. I am kind of dipping into the orange a little bit more than the purple just because it's a little lighter of a tone. And I'm tapping my brush off on occasion just to make sure I'm not getting black glitter stuff everywhere. I really like the sparkles in this glitter eyeshadow with these colors. I think it's pretty. And again, just gonna go in with a quick second coat just because this one does have a little bit more of a sheer background to it, and I wanna just make sure it's nice and kind of opaque looking. Maybe I'm crazy for thinking this, but I feel like having just kind of the sparkly, more blackish kind of lid makes the two-tone look a little more wearable because it's a little more subtle with it just being the crease. But again, it could just be because I'm literally not scared to wear anything else, so maybe this would be scary for some of you, but it's not scary for me. I'm gonna take my ColourPop blending brush for the orange side just to go to town on this as well. I think this is quite cute. For my inner corner, I'm just gonna use that Make It by Mario product because why not? Just add some nice sparkle in this inner corner action. And at this point, I'm just going to throw on my lashes, liner, lips, all that good stuff. And I'll be back when the look is complete. All right, hi, hello, this is the look complete. I think it came out really pretty. In retrospect, it's not a very difficult look. It just takes a little bit of patience, I guess, just to make sure you're not taking the glitter all over the place, but not a whole lot of shadows, but I feel like it has a whole lot of impact and I feel cute. I'm excited to wear it to work. And I don't know, I just feel good in it. I really like the way my lids look. The eye pencil I went with is Glitzy Gold from NYX. I didn't want anything to take away from the lid. I also wanted something that would complement both eyes, so I went with this kind of metallic gold to kind of go with that shift that's in the glitter. The lashes I went with are called Lucifer from Esta. They're just very long and wispy. I kind of wish I had thicker lashes for this look, but I also think these look fine, so it is what it is. And on my lips, I went with Ginger from Melt Cosmetics. Again, I just wanted something that would kind of complement the look without taking away from either side. I thought about doing a black lipstick for 2 seconds, but I was like, I've done so many black lips lately, I wanted to do something different, so I just went with this warm, rusty kind of color. I feel like it goes with my cheeks, it goes with both sides of my look. I think it looks cute and appropriate. At the end of the day, it doesn't even matter what lip I'm wearing because I'm just going to take pictures and then wipe it off because I'm wearing a mask all day, but it's still cute for the look regardless. I like it overall. I hope you guys do as well. Anyways, that's it for this sparkly Hallobean look. I guess let's zoom out and finish up this video. Wait, hello, I'm back. The camera might suddenly look different. It's because I zoomed out and then realized I forgot to mention that, yeah, I threw stars on my face as well. I just felt like it needed something else in the outer corner area. So I just took my ColourPop star stamp and just did like 3 little stars on each side. Obviously totally optional, but I do feel like it kind of tied things in, made it a little more magic-esque, and I don't know, I think it's cute. So I realized I forgot to even tell you, and I'm sure some of you would have been like, excuse me, where did those stars come from, ma'am? But here they are. That's what I did. I did it without even thinking, or I would have totally done it with you. It just kind of happened. Sometimes the creativity just starts going without you. All right, that is it. That's the end of the video. I really hope you like it. I enjoyed creating this and just hanging out with you guys. I feel in the spirit. These looks have all been very fun. I know I didn't really do costume looks this year, and again, I'm sorry about that. I just did not have the time or finances to devote to costume looks. And honestly, like, these looks are more fun for me anyways. I feel more comfortable with my skill level doing like just very glam, over the top, colorful looks rather than trying to do costume looks, which I'm very much an amateur at. You guys have still been really supportive and seemed really pumped about these looks this year, so thank you very much. I still have had some people express disappointment that I haven't done costume looks, and I'm again very sorry, but just is what it is. There's lots of other creators that do costume looks, so I'm not necessarily your girl for that. Anyways, if you made it to the end of this video, leave me a purple or orange emoji, and if you liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeatBee and follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Please make sure you're staying informed with Black Lives Matter. There's a link in my description box that will take you to resources and ways in which you can help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.